Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl VC and I am back to you with another video. In this video I will be doing a butterfly lock tutorial. So with that being said guys, I won't waste any more time. Let's get started. So the product I will be using, most definitely my Shine and Jam. I will be using Got to Be Glue Spray, Edge Control from Eben, Super Glue from Kiss, scissors, and crochet needle. I also will be using the Deja Vu Passion WATERWAVE hair 20 inches in the color 1B. Alright guys, first thing first, we're going to stretch out the WATERWAVE hair. We're going to get it to a really nappy look, but not too nappy. You don't want to stretch out all of the curls. Just take your time, run your fingers through it, because if not, the hair will get matted. So just take your time. Alright guys, first thing first, we're going to crochet one piece of crochet hair through the braid of the client's hair, and on one side of it you would want it to be a shorter length to the length that you would want your lock to be, and then the second crochet piece that you would crochet in, you would want that piece to be even on both sides. Once you do that, the even piece is the piece that you will actually be wrapping around the client's hair. So you will put the shorter piece in the client's braid in one hand, and the other piece you will wrap it around. You will wrap it around 3 or 4 times till you get that secured hold that you're looking for. And once you do that, you will loosen up as you go down. Disclaimer guys, we did run out of hair, and when we went back to the hair store they did not have any more 1B that I used, nor did they have a number 1, so we had to go with a number 2. So it might look a little odd, but it's kind of cute. So yeah, just wanted to throw that out there because I didn't want anyone saying, oh my god, you're using different color hair. Yeah. Alright guys, we're getting to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. And also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to join the family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.